No end in sight. Prime Minister Andrew Holness refuses to put timeline on when states of public emergency will end and hints at more zozos. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, deepening warfare. Residents in Waterhouse, St. Andrew, cry out for help as hoodlums continue to shoot and burn houses to the ground.
Still no plan. Business operators around Portia Simpson Miller Square raise new concerns about road construction.
Full disclosure, opposition calls for release of the probe into disposal of neonates' bodies at Jubilee.
An attempt to frustrate. Opposition slams the government's push to rein in the probes of parliamentary committees.
And in business news, another deadline. Tourism Minister sets new time frame for tourism workers' pension plan.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your view on the proposal for parliamentary committees to only probe issues that are sent to them from Parliament?
You can share your comments using those addresses at the bottom of the screen. It's facebook.com/televisionjamaica and you can tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.